This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your downloads on your Google Play Store using your Android phone. So if it's not working for whatever reason, what we want to do is go on over to settings. So let's go to settings right now. So scrolling down from the top right and go to settings right now and locate the apps. And then we want to go to the Google Play Store and simply just uninstall the updates and reset it back to the factory version. So let's go on down now to Google Play Store, and then we can locate it. So it should be right here, Google Play Store. Now go to the top right to the three little dots and tap those and go to uninstall updates. Okay, this will replace this app with the factory version, uninstalling the updates. Then we can go to force stop. Now if it still doesn't work after doing that, we can come back in here and we can go to storage. And we go to clear cache, and then we can clear the data as well. Now let's go back and go to open up the Google Play Store, and you might see the screen pop up where it says, I don't know, all I do is go to not now, and then I go to the top right, go to your profile, going down to settings, and then go to about, and there's an option to update the Google Play Store right here. A new version of the Google Play Store will be downloaded. Now we can go back to the top right, click on our profile, go to My Games and Apps, and go to Updates right here. And just see if you have any pending downloads for your apps. I believe it's going to download the pending downloads first. So if something seems like it's stuck, well, you can have like 15 or 20 apps waiting to download or update.